to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. As you say those things, and shut me up. Got no clue what you have found on a rose in arms, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself that this is the last time.
Double, baby. That's a Texas double. That's a triple. Good job, baby. Got it done. That's a triple. That was fun. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this, guys. Have you ever seen anything like this? Classic style right there. Man. Full strut. I mean, just come all the way into that. How many strutters were there? Right there, and then there was probably 8 to 10 beyond that.
Here we go.
Good job, baby.
Hey, what a morning.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. It was beautiful to see all them strutters come up, and the sun's just now coming up, and we got 3 longbeards on the ground.
Good longbeards, good 3-year-olds. We were worried about the wind today, and we thought, you know what, let's give it a run. First light, go sit the roost, and you know, everything worked out. Everybody dreams of a morning like that, and we were lucky enough to witness it and take 3 good birds. So it's always a good time with you 2 guys.
What an incredible experience to go down there to Texas. I want to thank Wade Montgomery for taking us out and allowing us to share that view with all of you on DoD TV. Awesome. The turkey tour gobbles on.